Hello everyone, my name is Alexa Abrego. I will discuss the number system. What is number system? So, a number system is a method used to represent number using specific sets of symbols and rules. It is a fundamental concept in mathematics and computing, as it allows us to perform calculations, store data, and communicate numerical information effectively. There are several types of number system, each with its own base and purpose. Number system conversions. So, binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. Binary to decimal. What is binary? So, binary is a number system that uses only two digits, 0 and 1. It's called base 2 and it's the language computer used to process data. To convert this to decimal, we look at each bit and multiply it by the power of 2 for its positions starting from the right. So, 2 to the power of 3 times 1 equals 8. 2 to the powers of 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 to the power of 1 times 1 equals 2. 2 to the power of 0 times 1 equals 1. Now we add those up. 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals 11. So the binary numbers 1011 is 11 in decimal. To convert binary to decimal, multiply each bit by 2 raised to its position index. Then add all the results together. Decimal to binary. So, how to convert decimal to binary? And what is decimal? So, decimal to binary is the decimal number system is what we use every day in based on 10 digits from 0 to 9 and it's called the base 10 system. And what is binary? The binary system, on the other hand, uses only two digits, 0 and 1, is called base 2. And it's the language computer used to understand and store data. So, example, 13 divided by 2 equals 6, remainder 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0, remainder 1. Decimal to octal. So what is octal? Octal is a base 8 number system. That means it uses 8 digits only from 0 to 7. So how to convert decimal to octal? Step by step. Number 1, divide the decimal number by 8. 2, record the remainder. 3, use the quotients from the next division. 4, repeat until the quotient is 0. 5, the octal number is the remainders. Read from the bottom to top. So, example, convert decimal 83 to octal. So, 83 divided by 8 equals 10. Remainder 3. 10 divided by 8 equals 1. Remainder 2. 1 divided by 8 equals 0. Remainder 1. Now, read the remainders from the bottom to top. So, 83 in decimal equals 123 in octal. So, decimal to hexadecimal. So, what is the hexadecimal? Hexadecimal is a base 16 number system. It uses digits from 0 to 9 and letters from A to F to represent the values 10 to 15. So, it uses 16 symbols, decimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And hexadecimal naman is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. How to convert decimal to hexadecimal step by step. Number 1, divide the decimal number by 16. 2, write down the remainders. 3, use the quotient from the next division. 4. Repeat until the quotient is 0. 5. Convert remainders about 9 to letters. Example A to F. 6. Read reminders from bottom to top from the final hexadecimal value. So, example. Convert 254 to hexadecimal. So, 254 divided by 16 equals 15, remainder 14. So, pag 14, E. 15 divided by 16 equals 0, remainder 15. Pag 15 naman is F. Hexadecimal to binary. What is hexadecimal? The hexadecimal system is base 16. It uses the digit 0 to 9 and letters A to F to represent values of 0 to 15. So, A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12, D equals 13, E equals 14, F equals 15. So, why hex to binary? So, hex is a compact version of binary. I hex digit equals 4 binary digits, bits. Step by step. Number 1, take its hex digit. Number 2, convert it to its 4-bit binary equivalent. And number 3, combine all the binary values. So, example, convert A3 to binary. So, A is 1011, 1010. Number 3, 0011. So, A3 is 1C equals 1010011 in binary. So, summary of number systems conversions. So, number 1, binary to decimal, multiply each binary digit by 2 raised to its positions, right to left. Add the results. Example, 1011, 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1 equals 11. And number 2, decimal to binary, divide the decimal number by 2 repeatedly. So, write down the remainders. Read remainders bottom to the top. Example, 13 equals 1101. So, number 3, decimal to octal, divide the decimal number by 8 repeatedly. So, write down the remainders. Read remainders bottom to the top. So, example, 83 equals 123. For decimal to hexadecimal, divide the decimal number by 16 repeatedly. Convert remainders 10 to 15 to A to F. Read remainders bottom to top. Example, 254 equals FE. Tapos number 5, hexadecimal to binary. Replace each hex digit with its 4-bit binary equivalent to division needed. No division needed. So, example, A3 equals 10100011.